Hi, so I am leaving a quick message regarding an individual who has been running a business here for a few decades, and I've been working with him for about 10 to 11 years, and his name is Pete De La Puente, and he runs ASAP Carpet Cleaning here out of Turlock, California. And I wanted just to tell a little bit of story about why I'm leaving this video. When I first moved to Turlock, about 10 years ago, we were in need of finding a really good carpet cleaner. We had bought a home and we wanted to make sure that the carpets were clean before we moved in, and we also at the time had 2 dogs, and so keeping them as part of our family and keeping them indoors and outdoors, it's really important to keep the carpets clean. So I struggled to find a good carpet cleaner that wasn't leaving the carpets damp, that was showing up on time, that was responsive, that actually would show up, that actually didn't make me feel creepy at home alone in my house with him, and also would do a lot of attention to detail in terms of cleanup and not leaving a lot of wetness on the hardwood floor where I could slip and fall, and also not leaving the carpet super damp when they were done. So I found Pete and was always really impressed with his services, not to mention his eco-friendly products. For our dogs, that was important for us as well, and just for our own health and wellness. And then we went on to have children, and the need to have a house cleaned and the carpets cleaned was even more so, as the children and the babies would be lying on it, as they would obviously be, at times vomiting and throwing up and then be crawling on it. All those things, it's really important to keep the house sanitary, and so we continued to work with Pete through all those years. We actually moved away for a bit and moved back, and Pete has been cleaning our newer house ever since we've been back. And he has a full team now. He's upgraded his vans. He's always just had a super clean vehicle. He's always on time. He's super responsive. He has no creepy factor at all. He's just a really nice man, a really nice Christian man, and a wonderful wife who would come and work with him from time to time. And in addition to that, his just attention to detail is unlike any other carpet cleaner that I've used, and I've used several others, not only in the area and throughout Northern California. And one other thing I wanted to mention about him is just his pricing is really reasonable, and he's always really flexible in terms of trying to work in his schedule depending on how immediate your needs are. So if you have guests coming and you have a little bit of an emergency, he's always been really willing to work with me on that. And I just really felt called to leave this about Pete and ASAP Carpet Cleaning, because he has been such a good service provider over to me and my family over the last 10 years. And then he's also actually kind of become a friend. He's just a really nice guy, someone easy to talk to. I totally trust him alone in my house. I've actually even left the keys here for him when I've had to go do things and he needed to come and get in to clean. And I just cannot say enough about him and his business. So if you are considering working with him, or you are looking for a really reliable and excellent top of the line carpet cleaning service, they also do tile cleaning, and they also have cleaned our linen stools from front gate. They do all sorts of services. If you're looking for someone to help you with that, definitely check out Pete De La Puente and ASAP Carpet Cleaning.